How to repair a basketball with pinholes using PVC pipe, cement. Items needed to repair: 1 can of PVC pipe cement, 150 cc syringe. No matter how many pinholes are there, it can still be sealed inside. You can already see the bubbles from the pinholes. Just inject 50 cc's of PVC pipe cement into the valve. The advantage of using PVC pipe cement is that it has a liquidy texture like water, so it will not affect the bounce of the ball, unlike rugby. It is also very easy to inject since it has a water-like texture and dries quickly. Just roll the ball until all the insides of the ball are coated. Just wait for a few hours and it's ready to go. Now it is good as new.